can cover everything from science, space to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it.
Hey guys, good morning. Currently it is 5:34 a.m. I woke up at 5 and today you're gonna see a productive day in my life. We have lots to do, but right now I just got ready for the gym. I'm sure you guys saw that, and I'm just about to do a little bit of skincare and do my hair and then leave for the gym. But y'all might be thinking how I'm so jolly right now, but trust me, it is only because I'm filming. Otherwise I'm like so groggy and grumpy in the morning.
Have time for family.
This is the hair for the gym.
Everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it.
Okay, I am all ready. I just have to wear my shoes. But before that, I'm gonna make my bed.
Things you do, oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and I want the world to fade away.
Hi guys, I came back from the gym like an hour ago and currently it is 9:51 a.m. I rested a little bit and I had breakfast and now it is time to shower, get ready for the day. But before I do all of that, I'm gonna write down my to-do list. I write it in my iPad. Yeah, that is the plan. This is the outfit we chose for today. Ignore a little bit of the background noise because there's construction going on. We're building new hostels for a lot of new students and my camera is dying. Okay, hi. The camera charged up. I was actually studying a little bit. What I'm doing is I'm studying maths right now. It is really pissing me off, and after I get done with this I have to study some operating system, which is a subject in which you have to cram a lot, and I hate cramming. I'm just not one of those people who can do it. Currently we're doing ordinary differential equations. Also I'm going home soon. I'm going home in like 8 days. At home I'm gonna sleep a lot. What I want right now is coffee. But do you know what happened today? After coming back from the gym, I ate my breakfast and after that I went out again to get some milk. But the guard stopped me at the entrance of my hostel and she was like, "Where are you going?" And I was like, "I'm just gonna go get some milk. I'll be back in like 5 minutes." But it is what it is. They're just doing their job and I have to respect that. Let's get back to what we were doing.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool.
Okay, I'm really tired. Right now it is 12:50 and we're gonna go to the mess and eat some lunch because I'm really hungry. I just got off a video call with my parents and my brother. It was my brother's birthday yesterday and I wasn't there. Yeah. But today in mess we have white chana plus kaddu ki sabzi. Okay, it is what it is. Let's go and get some lunch.
We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to.
We're back. My fan is on, so please just bear with me with the voice. Okay, so my friend got me a pack of milk. We're gonna make some coffee without the ice. But first I'm gonna pay her. After going home, I'm gonna have my iced coffee every single day. Okay, this is how much I took and I'm still left with like a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tie it with a hair tie and it will stay fine. And that is how I store leftover milk. Let's get back to it. Yeah, you're gonna have to bear with me while I look at this.
So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do this.
Hello, it's been a while. I took a nap during the day, which wasn't the plan, but after I ate lunch I was like, okay, I'm gonna close my eyes for like 5 minutes. Little did I know, so many hours passed by, and right now it is 10:30 and I'm gonna go live on YouTube because I think it's been ages since we've gone live. So I'm gonna go live for about 20 to 30 minutes, like it's not gonna be really long because I have a to-do list to complete. Hi guys, I'm actually filming today as well. We're done with the live. It was such a good session. Y'all are so nice, so sweet, like literally, like thank you. I have the best audience ever. And right now we have to get back into the grind because I have a whole video that I need to edit tonight. Enough of that. I'm gonna call my mom because she's gonna be pissed because I didn't call her today.
We used to have each other's playlists. No.
Hello. Currently it is 12:59 a.m. which is almost 1 a.m. and I'm done with maths. Okay, so actually let me discuss this. I have 5 chapters coming in my exam. I'm done with 3. Like I have 1 topic left of this chapter, only 1, and then after that I'm done with 3 chapters, and then I have 2 chapters left. I know half of the material in 4th chapter and I have the whole 5th chapter left, so there's that. Now I'm just gonna cross off some things off of our to-do list. Now I'm gonna go to my bed and edit the YouTube video that is gonna go up on Sunday, even though it's 1 a.m. and I have to be up at 5 again. I want to and I have to edit this video tonight. Like I want to get it done because then if I don't do it tomorrow, it's gonna be so much pressure on me and I won't be able to do anything at all. So I'm just gonna do 2 hours worth of editing. I'm gonna have to clean up as well a little bit. I also got my laundry bag today, so these are all of the clothes that I'm gonna put away tomorrow. So I'm just gonna put these on my chair right now. Hi, I'm on my bed right now and I literally have my flash on so that you can see better. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna edit. Okay, so let's get to it.
We used to have each other's playlists. No. Used to be each other's best friends.
Hi guys, it is currently 2:42 a.m. 2:46 a.m. to be exact, and I am not done with the video. I still have a lot of rough cutting to do, but I'm done with like more than half of the video and I don't think I can do this anymore. Like I have to wake up at 5 again and I only have like around 2 to 2.5 hours to sleep and I'm really tired, so I think I'm gonna go to sleep right now because my eyes won't stay open anymore, and tomorrow I'm gonna have to work really hard to get this video done and make the thumbnail, and I also have to study another chapter of maths tomorrow. So tomorrow is gonna be a jam-packed day for me. I'm not vlogging it because I vlogged today and I don't want to give you guys content, like repeated content, but I think I'm gonna end the video here. So if you guys liked it, then like this video, share this video, and comment down below when your birthday is. I would love to know that, and I would love to see if any of y'all are twins with me. Mine is on 17th of October. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Give me video recommendations in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me.